Okay, let's see. Here we go. You ready? Ready? That's your brother taking your pictures. Good picture. Okay, here we go.
Oh, how about you take a picture of mine? How about you take a picture of mine? So
I
we get a picture
am.
of
I'm
him?
seeing it. Okay, here we go. Let's see if he laughs again.
Oh, great. That wasn't so good. Oh, man.
It's like the paparazzi over here. Whoa.
I'm getting so many good pictures. Do it again.
Okay, can you have a pause there? Okay, let's pause so I can hear his laugh. Is there any more?